we've got for you our cucumber melon spa pop. Bit of a crazy name, but roll with it, guys. Okay, so we've got our melon. We're using honeydew today, but you can use cantaloupe, whichever melon you like the most. Pop it into your blender. Now you've got some sugar. You might not need to use this. If your melon's in season, it will be super sweet and you won't need the sugar. And you've also got some coconut milk as well. Put it all in and blend away until smooth. Won't take long. Pop it out and we're going to start pouring. Now, here come the sliced cucumbers. Now, slice them thinly and then you're going to push them in and make sure it's the sides of the mold. That means when you pull them out, you can see the cucumber and it looks awesome. Pour in your melon. Oh, and we missed one. Never mind. Put on your foil, cling film or card and put your sticks in. Freeze overnight. I find these are really refreshing. Great after I play tennis or at the gym or just with your kids. Have fun. Guys, did you enjoy that? If so, check out our other recipe videos and make sure to subscribe and follow. See you soon.